The first box that I'm going to show you is the smaller version, and it's for most Hot Wheels of this small cardboard size, and even some Matchbox with similar cards will fit in these boxes perfectly. So I'm going to fold it up, and I'll show you then how to put them in the box and get great shipping for it. So here's the box, pretty much ready to go. Just folded it up, and now I'm going to show you how to put the Hot Wheels into the box safely for shipping, and pretty much the best way to ship these Hot Wheels. You'll need two 12 by 12 inch bubble wrap squares. I peel them off a roll of bubble wrap, and I'll put that in the comments for you to see where I get mine from Amazon. Same with the boxes. I'll show the boxes in the comments. But anyways, the small bubbles, 12 by 12, panel 1, panel 2, and I'll show you how to put them in. So you take the 2 panels of bubble wrap, 12 inch by 12 inch, lay them flat. Take your Hot Wheels and you wrap the bubble wrap, just tuck it underneath so you can roll it easily. And this will be just enough to cover the bottom, so no worries there. And then you just roll it over. So you come all the way around. Then you're going to fold this extra bunch up. You can tape it down if you like, but it's not necessary. And this will cover the bottom. You just insert it into the box. Fits snugly and perfectly, well protected. And I like to throw a little thank you sticker. Hold it down. Hold it up. Tape the box up securely. Slap your label on it. Put a fragile sticker on the front and back. And you're ready to go. The box is perfect for that size Hot Wheels, and it will get there undamaged, and the customer will be very happy and probably leave a great review. So that's the small box. Like I said in the comments, the links, I'll put down the bubble wrap. I'll put the boxes where to get those. The stickers, if you're interested in those, I'll have them in the comments. And the next one will be the next size up for the larger cast cars. Hot Wheels, Matchbox, a couple other ones too that I do. But anyway, till the next time.